Hello, it's Kelsey from Beacon Coffee. Today, Tessa and myself are going to be stepping you through how we perform a deep clean of the Mazzer Kold S grinder. For a medium volume cafe, we recommend doing this approximately once every month. Now, please note that this is in addition to your regular daily cleaning of the grinder. The deep clean helps to ensure that your grinder continues to run smoothly and consistently. Please note that this is a tutorial for the Mazzer Kold S grinder only. This grinder has been specifically designed so that the burrs can be easily removed and replaced. If you have a different grinder, particularly one with a collar adjuster, then you want to make sure your deep clean is performed by a qualified service technician only. The deep clean of the grinder should be performed by someone who has already received training. This video is designed as a refresher only for those who have received training. Now, before we get started, we're going to have to go and grab a few tools. We're going to need a regular size Phillips head, a smaller Phillips head, Allen keys, a paintbrush, a microfiber cloth, a regular cloth, and a shop vac. Firstly, unplug the grinder so that it is fully disconnected from power. Now we can safely disassemble the grinder. Firstly, remove the hopper. Remove the locking pivots that hold the hopper in place. Put these into a cup. You want to place all the little screws and nuts into a cup so that they are kept safe. From experience, it is not fun sucking them into a vacuum. Now you can open the grinding chamber. Pull off the 3 covers and use your Allen key to remove these 3 screws. Place them into your cup. Pull off the top burr set and set it to the side. Open the electronic display panel to access the grinding chute. Use your regular Phillips head to remove the screws from the finger guard. Set these aside. Pull out the pin and remove the chute. Take the top burr set, finger guard, and grind chute to a table and place them on a cloth. This cloth is going to help reduce cleanup later. Use your small Phillips head to remove the 3 screws from the chute. Have a look and see how is your wire damper positioned. Is it locked into hole 1, 2, or 3? Different dampers sit in different positions. Knowing where yours was positioned will help with reassembly later. Now it is time to clean everything. Gently use a microfiber cloth to clean the damper. You want to avoid breaking it or misshaping it. Use the same cloth to remove any coffee residue from the chute, finger guard, and burr set. This looks like a gasket, but it's actually just a month's worth of coffee. Return to your grinder and use a paintbrush, microfiber, and a vacuum to clean out the grinding chamber. I like to loosen the coffee with a microfiber and suck it up with the shop vac. It usually takes a few passes before I'm happy with how everything looks. Make sure you check hard to spot places like the sides of the burrs and the chute. Once you're happy with how everything is looking, you can reassemble a grinder. First, place the damper back in the correct position. If you're struggling to get it in, there may be coffee impacted in the hole. Use your vacuum to clear it out. Once it is positioned properly, add the top plate and put the 3 small screws back in place. Please avoid over-tightening any screws. Place the GFC back in the grinder and secure it with a pin. Place the finger guard back in position and secure it with the screws. Place the top burr set back in position and secure the screws using the Allen key. Cover the screws with caps, attach the hopper and its locking pivots. You can now plug in your grinder, it's clean and good to go.